from Polk County Public Libraries. Happy Wednesday and happy almost New Year. So this week, our Take and Make kit for kids is a New Year's Eve kit. So make sure to come by Columbus or Saluda Library and pick that up so you can celebrate with us tomorrow. So you'll get a bag like this, and inside you will have your blower, your New Year's Eve headband. You will have 2 glow sticks, and those also have connectors if you want to make it a bracelet or a necklace, and make sure to bend them to activate the glowing light inside right before you want to use those. And then we just have a few more activities in the bag. So you have some writing prompts. So you're gonna write about the best thing you did this past year in 2020, as well as what you're looking forward to in 2021. There is also a New Year's Eve Mad Lib. So this is where you go fill in the blanks, and it tells you what kind of word to use. So it could be a verb or a noun or an adjective, and then you'll read the silly story that you made up. We also have a coloring sheet, 2021, Happy New Year. And then my favorite activity we have in this bag is a New Year's Eve bingo with different New Year's traditions from around the world. So you can see there in the center is some fireworks, so that's your free space. So we want you to try to get 5 in a row. So either vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. Pick 5 New Year's traditions that you think are really fun and try to do those with your family tomorrow. So here are some examples. In Spain, they eat 12 grapes at midnight to secure 12 happy months in the coming year. In the Philippines, they serve 12 round fruits. The round shape symbolizes coins, which represent prosperity and wealth for each month of the upcoming year. In Armenia, they bake special bread, which they need good luck and good wishes into. So there's a lot of other customs and traditions from other countries around the world. So maybe you guys can make your own new tradition this New Year's Eve. Happy 2021.